Hello people, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I want to give you a brief explanation why you start to move from your Microsoft Excel to Google Sheets. This is the reason why you should start using the Google Sheet. So the Google Sheets application could be summarized with this icon. So why you should start using this? Because there could be several different about this two application. So if you work with Google Sheet, you can just log in with your Google account, and then every files on your account here will be set on your Google Drive. So you can access these documents anywhere in any device and anytime. Just need an internet and your Google account, and then you can access every documents that you have been created with this account. And then the next thing is this application, the Google Sheet application, provides you for online and offline work. So whenever you have no internet, you still can work with the documents, and then the application itself will save everything on this memory system. And whenever you got the internet, then the documents that you have here will be updated with the new data that you have added. And the next is with this application, with this Google Sheet application, you can restore several documents that you just delete accidentally by visit the pin here, so that you can like bring them back in the with a term that it's not longer than 30 days after you delete it. You can get the offline features. You can also, the most outstanding features is collaborate with your friend in the same documents in the same time. So that could be an option or features that can provide you to work together with your friends so that your work will finish faster. So yeah, that's several reasons why you have to start using Google Sheets instead of Microsoft Excel. However, this explanation is giving you a good and brief the way how you can work your tasks in a faster way. So if you found this tutorial today is very useful for you, don't forget to subscribe to this channel guys, and let's meet again into other tutorial.